Today's video, I'm going to show you how you could add front panel connectors with the Dell XPS 8930 motherboard. This is a proprietary motherboard from Dell, and the front connectors aren't the same as a regular front connector for a computer. So if you want to put this motherboard into a regular ATX case, you're going to run into a number of problems. The first problem is the power and the reset connectors are different on this compared to a regular ATX motherboard. And I'll show you what the layout of this motherboard is. So here, this is where you would connect the power switch. So if your power switch doesn't work, you could replace it with a Dell XPS 8930 power switch connector. But if you want to use this on another ATX case, you could use the front panel connectors like this, but you have to know what the pinouts are. The pinouts are like this. This is positive, negative. The positive is this thing, triangle, that designates it as being positive. And the polarity has to be correct, especially for the power LED and hard drive LED, and also the reset switch. For the power switch, you don't have to care about the polarity because it just switches the power on. It just sends this power current through the switch, so you don't have to worry about polarity. But here, this is positive, negative for power LED, positive, negative for hard drive LED. The power switch is a little bit different. It goes in vertically like this, as you can see. That's how you would put in the power switch. The reset switch goes here. This is positive. This is negative for the reset switch here. This doesn't have anything connected to it. Or you could buy one of these things, which enables you to put in the front panel connectors. I have heard problems with using just regular connectors like this with a Dell XPS 8930 motherboard. One of the problems is you're going to get a halt message every time you start the computer. That's what I heard. But it does turn on and reset and show all the indicators on the LED on your case and everything. All of that works. That's all you have to do. And as for the other connectors like USB-C, this is for the Dell XPS 8930. This is a USB 3 connector. I think that's a front panel connector for the other stuff like USB-C, card reader, and stuff like that. So USB-C, you can just connect it here, and you will be able to connect the front USB 3.0 ports on your ATX case. And that's pretty much it. That's all you have to know. If you'd like to know where you can buy the parts, I'll put it in the video descriptions links below. And if you buy a case, it should come with all the connectors. I'll also leave that in the video descriptions below if you're interested in getting a case for this. The format for this is, I think, micro ATX, but you could use a full-size ATX case with this motherboard. That would fit. Or micro ATX all the way to full ATX case. That's what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching.